Okay, so today I'm going to demo the Create Your Course custom GPT that I offer inside of the Bootcamp. So you can see right off the bat, there are 3 conversation starters depending on where you're at when it comes to creating a course for your business. Maybe you have no idea where to start. Maybe you have an idea, but not much else. Or maybe you already have a course, but you just want help improving it. So just for giggles, I'm going to go ahead and click on the I have no idea where to even start. Here's the beauty of having these custom GPTs. I have already built in an expert framework into the GPT. So you don't even have to know how to prompt it. You don't have to tell it anything. It's going to ask you questions. So it says, let's start super simple. First question, what transformation or result would you love to help people achieve through your course? I want them to feel confident that, whoops, I can't spell, confident that they can integrate AI into their business to save 10 hours of work per week and reclaim their calendar white space. Y'all, don't worry about not being able to. That doesn't fit. It's still, yeah, it's all good. Okay, and so here it goes. I love this, right? So it basically spits it back to me. And then it says, who's your ideal customer? So here's the super fun. Use this client avatar. And then I'm going to do @ symbol. And then I already have Sarah, a visionary entrepreneur persona, as a custom GPT. I don't even need to put the information in. It is just going to use the custom GPT that I've already created. I love it. Now we're cooking with some gas. ChatGPT is full of personality. Okay, so the course is Big Promise. It gives me that. And then it feels super aligned because of this. And then next step, would you like me to help you map out a simple course outline? Yes. And I can actually, I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to let it go. And it's going to start mapping it out for me. Y'all see how fast this is happening? I don't have to sit down and like overthink this. It's just giving me ideas. So we're going to let it keep going. It's going to spit this out. Now I'm going to show you this super cool thing too. I'm not even reading. No. I'm just going to say open in Canvas mode. Canvas mode is actually a mode inside ChatGPT where you can edit what ChatGPT has written without it redoing the conversation again and again and again. You know how you get those chats that are like a mile long, right? Well, I don't have to do that when it's in Canvas mode. So I can come up here and I can read set the foundation, your AI success roadmap, yada, 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 right? And then I could be like, I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to say, whoops, grab that again. And I'm going to say, ask ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, great, write a description for this module. And then you'll watch, and what it's going to do is it's literally going to, inside here, add a description. So here it goes. It says fail to edit, but it'll, here it goes. Ready? It literally adds it right inside. So rather than me getting the outline and then getting the description and then getting the yada, 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 you see what I'm saying? And then I can also, I can edit this right inside. So I could literally click on here and say, what tasks you want to automate immediately? I can say, what 5 tasks you want to, and I can just enter it, like I can edit it right there. And then I come up here and I click on this and it's copy, and then I can go paste it in the Google Doc or in any other document. It does always offer to create a downloadable PDF. Y'all never do that. I can't stand it. It never does it well. It formats it horribly. But anyway, so that's the idea of using the course creator. Now, just for giggles, I'll show you this too. I have a client who already has a live program. And so I went ahead and for her, I clicked, I have an idea for a course, but I need help planning it out. And so it gives me the questions and I said, get your answers from, and I put in her twin. And then I even said, you'll love this. I can't go down too far because I can't give away all her good juice, but it says, she already has a live course. I need you to help me use the transcripts from her live calls to create the outline for the modules and lessons. And then it prompts me, it's like, hey, go ahead and do it. And so then I just went plus sign and I did add from Google Drive and I have to refresh my page. But anyway, I added the transcript right from my Google Drive from her Fathom calls. And then boom, it literally outlined her entire course, gave me modules, gave me lessons, gave me descriptions, all the things based on her live transcripts, which were a solid 2 hours at max for each of these calls. That would have taken me days to sort through all the content and what were the questions and tangents that aren't relevant to the actual lesson that's important. I didn't have to do that. In less than 30 minutes, I had a complete and total course overview and breakdown outline that I'd be able to send to her and get feedback on like that. So whether you're using this for yourself or for a client, the create your course uh, GPT makes things so much faster. So that's just one of 25 GPTs that I'm currently offering inside the Be Your Own Boss Better program. If you'd like to learn more about the program or how you can just integrate AI into your business in another way that you have never thought of before, let me know. Send me a DM, comment below, or book a call, and let's talk.